everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I don't know if you can notice, but I'm actually at my new place now. I moved a month ago. This is our third place in Korea since we moved 2 years ago, and I know it's a lot. I definitely didn't plan to move this often. I have a good feeling that we're gonna stay in this place for multiple years, fingers crossed. Yeah, anyways, today I just wanted to come on here and catch up with you guys, also share some of the new items that I got recently and do an unboxing and try on haul for some of the items. So let's get started. The first item that I want to unbox is this. It's from a brand called Entropy, and if you've been following me, you know that I love Entropy. They recently released this slide up doe cheek blush. Packaging is really cute. They have 5 different items. Oh, okay, so if you go like this, you can kind of see what the colors are gonna be like. Let's open the autumn vibe. Wow. Okay, you know what this looks like? This looks like the Apple's iPod Classic. You can't tell that this is a blush. And what you do is slide up and there's your blush. This is so genius too. Wow. Once you peel this part, it becomes a mirror. So you can look at the mirror while you're applying your blush. I won't open all of it now, but these are basically the different colors for your reference. But move on to my next item, which is Days. So this is one of the most popular Korean swimwear brands. I have like 3 bikini sets from them and they're so cute. And I saw that they just released a polka dot style bikini, and I've been really eyeing on a set of polka dot bikinis, so I just had to get it right away. All of their bikinis come in these really cute mesh bags. This is the Choco Berry String Cheeky Brief. I love my bikini bottoms a little bit cheeky, but if you don't like a cheeky one, they have other options, so definitely check it out. This is the Choco Berry underwire top to match the bottom. Okay, how cute is this? Love this like frill detail here. I'm not a huge fan of like underwire bras or underwire bikini tops, but I like Days bikini tops. They're really comfortable, so I just wanted to give it a try. I'm actually going to Manila soon, so maybe I'll bring this one with me. I got both of them in the size small if you guys are curious. And next one, which is from Meshki. Meshki is literally one of my favorite brands. I'm actually going to California next month for my friend Unsu's wedding, and I needed a wedding guest dress. Of course, I'm gonna get it from Meshki. So look at this. I wonder if you can wear it like this. Okay, this is really cute. I love tops that hug your body but aren't too tight to make you feel so uncomfortable. You can totally dress it up. You can dress it down, like make it casual. But I think this is so cute. I have too many black tops, so I just wanted to get a nice white top. It always comes in handy. Like you could wear it with wide leg jeans, mini skirt with boots. It could even be really cute with like ruffle shorts, leather skirt, leather pants. Like honestly, it'll go with anything. Okay, let's move on to my next one. This is the Bella Satin Halter Maxi Dress. Got it in the lemon color. I don't think I own any dress in this color, but it's a halter in the front and it's like backless. Obviously, I really love anything backless. Ooh. I was kind of worried that the dress would be so like thin. It actually has a full like lining underneath. It's definitely thick, which I really like. Bag is definitely so gorgeous. Most important thing for me is to get a dress that's like really comfortable, and I think this is really comfortable. I think this is a pretty good option, but I have another dress as an option for the wedding guest, but they didn't have it in the Australia warehouse where they send it to Korea, so they actually shipped it to my friend in the States, so I'm gonna get it when I get to California. I'm really excited for that one. I think that's gonna be my top choice. I have another dress, Caspian Slinky and Mesh Off-Shoulder Maxi Dress. I already have this in the black, but I am part of the bridesmaid group and I need to wear either yellow, blue, or pink, or green. And the yellow and blue were kind of the colors that I chose, so like this is really gorgeous. It's like a ruched style here and it's mesh underneath. This one is really cute too. It really hugs my body. Cute. How cute. Comes with this part. I could wear it like in one shoulder top. I think the classic way is to wear it like this, off shoulder, or I think you could wear it like this. But yeah, It's really cute. I love it. Before I move on, I need to show you this really cute customized hair clip. I've been loving this. I actually have it in black, but they recently sent me this new one, which is in brown with blue stones. These are Swarovski stones. It also matches my nail. Next, I wanted to show you guys my new favorite jewelry item. So it's from a brand called Shift and. I love pearl in general, and I have a lot of pearl necklaces, but this one was just so unique, so I had to get it. Look at this, so gorgeous. So they actually had the cross in silver and gold. Really couldn't decide, but I felt like because I was a little tan from my trip from Danang, gold would look better on me, so I got the gold one. Like, it's such a good statement piece, you know, like look. And I got a pair of hoops to match with my earrings. I realized I don't really have a bold gold hoops, so oh, look. She is so stunning. I already got a lot of compliments when I wore these items, and I had to share which brands they were from. They also had a pearl earring with the silver cross on, and it would have looked so cute with the silver cross necklace. Maybe I'll get those next. They have a lot of cute items, so if you want like a minimal statement piece, I highly recommend checking out their brand. They have so many cute items. Lastly, I wanted to share some items from Sunburn Project, and they sent me this bag. This is the mini pebble bag in olive, and I actually have it in the purple color. It's mini, but it actually fits quite a lot of stuff. It has a cute little pocket in the front too, so you probably would have seen this bag a lot on my Instagram feed. These are the new pair of pants that I got from them. It just looks like a basic pair of like black jeans. It's actually in velvet. I love it. It's so perfect for the fall and the winter. I actually wore it recently, so this is kind of how it looks. Lastly, look at this really cute fleece jacket. It got chilly in Seoul like all of a sudden. It actually became jacket weather, which I'm so excited for. They had this color and the black color, and I usually would go for black because I'm very clumsy and I always get it dirty if I go for the lighter color, but I wanted to risk it with this one because I really love this color. I wanted to show you the last item that I got, which is this is the iPhone 17 Pro in the silver color. I had the iPhone 14 Pro for almost coming up 3 years, and I got it in Canada, which was nice because it didn't make a sound when I was taking photos in Korea. And you know, as a content creator, you take a lot of photos in public, and that like continuous camera sound in public would literally kill me as an introvert. So I actually skipped getting the 15 Pro or the 16 Pro. But when 17 Pro came out, I was like, you know what, it's probably about time I change my phone. And I was really debating if I should get it in California because I'll be going to California next month. But at the same time, like, I couldn't really wait. I would be so busy with the wedding stuff and catching up with my friends that I didn't want to be spending time like transferring the data and all that stuff. So yeah, I just ended up getting it in Korea. I don't know how much I'm gonna hate the camera sound in public, but we'll see. Fingers crossed I don't regret my decision. But I am so excited. Hopefully I'll be able to upgrade my content quality as well, because the camera quality must be better, right? So anyways, that is it for my video. I have so many other items that I really wanted to share with you guys, but I just wanted to keep this one short. I will be making more videos consistently, so hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video.